Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington DC, I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Civic Center Park was laid out as part of Denver's early 20th century civic vision, influenced by city beautiful planning ideas that prioritized symmetry, sightlines, and formal gathering spaces near seats of power. This park was never intended to function like a neighborhood green. Its job was to stage the city, government, culture, and ceremony within a controlled setting. The Greek Amphitheatre sits in the park's center for that reason. Its form is classical and deliberate, tiered seating, a defined focal point, and clear orientation. It was built to host organized assemblies, concert speeches, ceremonies, where the crowds gather for a purpose and disperse afterwards. The design assumes scheduled use, not casual occupation. That assumption still governs how the space operates. Around the amphitheatre and throughout the park, posted rules set clear boundaries. Loitering, camping, and remaining in the space without a defined purpose are prohibited. These restrictions aren't incidental. They align with how the park is meant to function day to day. The amphitheatre's acoustic and layout reinforces this. Sound carries outward from a single focal area. Seating faces one direction. There's no attempt to create multiple informal zones. When nothing is programmed, the space feels incomplete by design. It's waiting for permissioned use. Management fills the gap between architecture and reality. The park relies on signage, patrols, and permitting to regulate behavior rather than redesigning the space to absorb unscheduled activity. This is a policy choice. The city preserves the formal character of the park and uses rules to enforce it. Location matters. Civic Center Park sits between major government buildings, museums, and courts. That proximity raises the stake for predictability and order. The park is a common site for demonstrations and civic gatherings, which requires clear enforcement tools to separate permitting events from everyday use. Maintenance standards reflect those priorities. Lawns are trimmed, paths are kept clear, and structures are consistently repaired. The environment signals oversight. Compared to nearby corridors, the difference is immediate and intentional. Accessibility and visibility also plays a role. Open sightlines make activity easy to monitor. There are few hidden corners. This supports crowd management during events and simplifies enforcement outside them. What results is a space that looks public but operates conditionally. You can pass through, attend an event, or use the park briefly. Extended undefined presence is discouraged unless it fits within an approved framework.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.